Good morning everyone. I am Arya Munir Jadhav from TNN Public School, Asroti. I am in 7th standard. My model name is Transport and Communication. As we all know, we live in a very connected world. Can you imagine if you could not talk to with your friends, whether they live in your building or thousands of miles away? Or if you could not go to your favorite holiday location because there were no means of transport. Latest innovation and inventions have made such concern invalid. Let us learn about transport and communication. You can see this my model, transport and communication. Transport and communication are way for us women to overcome the barrier of physical distance. It is an effective way to connect with people with no regards to distance separate them. Transport generally involves the movement of people and goods from one place to another via means of transport. On the other hand, communication is passing information or data from one source to another. Transport usually involves means of transport such as roadways, airways, waterways, and railways, while while the example of communication are email, telephone, letters, etc. But they can also act like substitutes of one another. For example, if you can email requires information to a client, it eliminates the need to travel to see. Roadway is used by vehicles like cars, truck, etc. On the other hand, railway is used by only one vehicle. They are called train. But there are also such varieties like locals, bullets, metros, etc. Through through waterways on the transport in large amount of goods via ships, we can also go for boating. And then airway is the fastest means of transport. Airway is the fastest means of transport. In emergency, we can go to place where we want in just a hour. Both transport and communications play major roles in our development and advancement in the last few decades. Thanks to some marvelous technological advancement that have in last decades, the qualities, speed, accuracy, etc. of both transport and communication haven't been outstanding. In this way, transport and communication helps in country economy and social development and growth. This is all about my transport and communication model.